Yes, my apologies, councillors. I know that a number of you have not been receiving the DGOT board meeting minutes and the AGM. So I asked staff to make sure that got into in the loop on a regular basis and it got into the council meeting. So if we could just remove those two from that list, because that's not there for you to receive, but the others are.
But if you want to read them, they are in the loop.
And yes, and we'll be trying to make sure that that they are captured and put into in the loop on a regular basis.
Okay, so we need to receive these minutes. We're starting with the Turangi-Tongariro Community Board meeting of the 14th of August 2012. I will ask for a mover and a seconder, but we will be accepting, with the exception of recommendation 5046, which is Turangi street name changes, which we will deal with later in this council meeting under agenda item number 9. So if we move to Turangi-Tongariro Community Board, again I repeat myself, I ask for a mover and a seconder for those minutes, excluding recommendation 5046. Councillor Kepper moves and Councillor Johnson will second. Right, are there any amendments to those minutes, please? No amendments. All those in favour? Aye. Aye. Any questions, discussions, or matters arising? There being none, moving now please to Taupo Airport Authority, 3/10, takes you through to 3/12. Again, I would ask for a mover, please. Move, Councillor Johnson, seconded myself. Any amendments to those minutes at all, or alterations? There being none, all those in favour? Aye. 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 And any matters arising, please? Taupo Airport Authority.
Just a query on 3/11.
Yep.
Turangi Airport. Is this airport strip becoming unsafe because of its condition?
No, it's more the notification of when it's wet in that low area. Whose responsibility is to notify the CAA discussion. It's not unsafe, it's certain times of the year it floods, and who's going to notify who?
Southern End goes underwater. Whose responsibility is to notify pilots coming in that it is flooded? That's what we need to ascertain in case there's an accident.
So we're just going to change the report of plate. It's the information that we go for. So it's clear to anyone using the ways of finding out whether it's operative or not.
Okay, moving now. No more. William, sorry.
Has a new member of the committee been appointed?
There won't be a new member of the committee appointed. Mr. Wayne Taylor tendered his resignation. I did not accept his resignation, and it hasn't been accepted. The committee will not accept his resignation on Thursday. He will be staying. He only put his resignation in because of the job he's doing at the moment. The times of the meetings didn't suit him, so we have changed our meeting times to accommodate, because Mr. Taylor has an awful lot and has given an awful lot to the airport over many, many years, and we do not want to lose his services. So his resignation has been withdrawn. Anything further? Being nothing, we now move to the Emergency Management Committee meeting, which was on the 20th of August.